Hey guys, this is Miss Clark. I'm going over our geometry pretest instructions. You will come into live class. There'll be a link in your CC calendar whenever we have makeups. Once you come in, you set up your audio setup to make sure you can hear me. That's really important. Check for a really great place to complete your pretest. It needs to be quiet, out of traffic, good lighting. You need scratch paper, pencil, and a calculator. I recommend the TI-30SX. It's between $10 and $15, an awesome calculator that you can use on all of your major tests throughout high school. And I will be teaching you how to use it throughout the year. So it's a great calculator to have. If you don't have a calculator today, you can use the one on your computer, but just know you really need your own calculator that you can bring to the EOC that you know how to use. So we have our regular class connect code of conduct, be respectful for each other. If you're away, show me that you're away. Don't disrupt the class, be courteous, keep the chat on topic so we don't miss any questions. But for today, while we're taking the pretest, please refrain from using outside resources. I want to see your work. Please don't ask anyone for help. Remain in the class connect until the pretest is completed. Do your best, but don't stress. Remember, this is a pretest. I'm just seeing what you know. You're not going to know all this, and that's okay. Alright, so the webcams for pretest and interim assessments. During required testing sessions, all students will work in individual breakout rooms with webcams turned on. We are using webcams to promote academic integrity while collecting important student performance data. Only your teacher can see you. Breakout rooms are not recorded. So if your webcam comes on but there's no picture, you can check the web conferencing capabilities. Step 1, search for your 11.0 ThinkAdvantage tools. These are for K-12 computers. Go to web conferencing and then show my video image. This is a simple fix. Of course, if you're having problems, you can call K-12 tech support about your school computer. If you have your own computer and you're having problems, you need to contact your FAST liaison. And also you can let me know. I'm making a list of anyone that's having webcam problems, and I will put you on the list to let everybody know you're having problems. Alright, the plan. So you'll go ahead and log into USA Test Prep. You'll click on Member Login. Your ID is GA Cyber. Your username is your K-12 student ID. If you look at your gradebook, it's the first entry. And your password is your first name that you K-12 has as your first name and the last 3 digits of the student ID. So it gives an example, Gem032. Then I will move you each to your own private breakout room. I will then give you webcam privileges. You will then turn your webcam on, making certain that the view is centered on you. Then follow the instructions on the screen. I'm going to send you a slide in each breakout room that tells you exactly what to do, and we'll go over that in just a minute. Take your time, follow the instructions carefully. If you need assistance, we're here, but please be patient, and we are not going to answer questions about math. This test contains 55 problems, but since it's a pretest over standards which you have not seen yet, you're not expected to know or how to answer them all. Just do your best and don't stress. Continue to work until your pretest is completed. Use your time wisely and try to get by without lengthy breaks. When you complete the entire pretest, you are free to leave. Now the slide that you will have in your breakout room will look like this. So once you log in to USA Test Prep, you're going to click on Take Assessment, and then a screen will pop up and say Take Assessment, Assessment Code. I will give you that code while you're in live CC. Your slide will actually have the code in this purple box. You will click submit, and then it will pop up where you are taking your geometry. The test will be geometry. Your teacher will be Leslie Clark, that's me. Your class is Geometry Miss Clark. Once you have chosen your teacher and class, click Load Test and you can begin. And then here are just some issues. If you're having issues with your webcam, like I said, let me know and I will put you on the list. Y'all are going to do great.